Did you know you can create a spooky pillowcase in just a few minutes to enhance your Halloween decor? It's a quick, fun, easy sewing project anyone can do no matter what your sewing skills. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to make one. Welcome to my craft room. Today we're diving into a fun and simple Halloween DIY sewing your own spooky pillowcase. Whether you're a beginning sewer or experienced, this fun and simple project will have you adding a personal touch to your own Halloween decor.
As Halloween approaches, finding affordable and unique decorations can be a real challenge. All the mass produced items are either too expensive or don't fit your personal style. And if you're like me, you want something that feels custom and personal without breaking the bank. And this spooky pillowcase is the perfect solution. With just a bit of fabric and basic sewing, you can create a one of a kind decoration that fits your style and budget, while also adding that handmade touch to your home this Halloween.
Let's dive into what you'll need to bring your spooky pillowcase to life. First, here's a list of the materials. Once you've gathered the materials, let's get started. First, you want to cut the fabric for a standard pillowcase size, if that's what you're using. In this case, the standard pillowcase measurement is 20 by 26, but you will also have to add whatever amount seam allowance you want to use. So get your fabric cut and you'll come back. After you get your fabric cut, you're going to want to pin the right sides together. I had to use two different kinds of fabric because I didn't have enough of the eyeball, and so I had to use two different kinds of fabric. And after you're done pinning them right sides together, you're going to sew along the long side of it, down the short side of it, and back down the long side again. And I'll meet you after I get done sewing that. After you do your ironing, you're going to want to take your open edge and create the hem where you're going to want to stitch. Now I've already done my measurements, so now I'm going to stitch this and then I'll show you when I'm done. And now for the final reveal, our spooky pillowcase is all done. It's amazing how a simple do-it-yourself can transform a space. Imagine this on your couch, bed, or even in the Halloween decor. It adds a personal Halloween touch, and best of all, you did it yourself. With this unique pillowcase, you turned something ordinary into something festive, personalized, and decorative that's fun and affordable. And if you want to go the extra mile like I did on this one, I added a little fancy little lacy thing on it to make it look a little bit prettier. On the front and the back. So that's it. In just a few simple, easy steps, cut, sew, personalize, you've created your own spooky Halloween pillowcase. It's a quick, fun, and easy way to add a personal touch to your home decor. I hope you had as much fun doing this as I did. Now wait, before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and let me know what your favorite Halloween do-it-yourself project is, or if you plan to make this spooky pillowcase yourself. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more do-it-yourself and other sewing projects that drops 3 times a week. See you later.